How to create account on Monese. If you want to create a Monese account, which is a banking alternative, it is quite simple to do so. First of all, you want to open the application. Once you open the app, make sure that you download it first. You will see this type of interface typically. Now, if you have a Monese account, you can tap on the login button from the top right, but if you don't, tap on the open free account button there. Here's everything that you say that it will need. So you can select open free account, and here you can see all these options, right? So allow it to access your location, enter the email you'd like to use, select your country, agree to the terms and conditions, and hit the get started button. Create a passcode for the Monese app. Once done, you can verify with your email address, so it will send a code to your email. So all you have to do is open the email and select the confirm email link over there. Once you verify the email address, it will ask you to open the app. So again, after that, it will ask you to verify your phone number. Enter your phone number, select the verification code. Once you enter the code, also make sure to choose your address, choose the account that you'd like to have, select the type of ID you'd like to have, and also make sure to verify your ID. And once you verified your ID as well, your account on Monese will be successfully created. This way you'll be able to basically go ahead and then create a Monese account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.